Sarah Macias with ISSA TV. Here with me is Jose Torre from Mexico. Jose, tell me about your products.
Hi Sarah, how are you? Yes, our products are 100% Mexican. We're a company that's established in Mexico City, and our products are waste baskets to help people sort trash. Nowadays this is getting very popular, and I think it's really important to do it. Also we have signs, and we have a lot of different colors in our products and sizes as well.
So tell me what's different about your product compared to others that are similar to yours.
Our product has a lot of design, and we care a lot about the quality. So our materials are always first grade materials, and also we innovate a lot. We are pushing into the market about 10 new products each year. And this year we are very happy to introduce one of our new products. It's called the Tough Waste Basket. It's a 32-gallon waste basket.
Okay. So tell me, what are the benefits of being part of ISSA?
Well, I believe ISSA, it's a very prestigious institution, and it's very good to know members from around the world and getting to know a lot of companies that are into the cleaning business. And this kind of prestige, you can know who you are dealing with, and the people here are serious companies.
Okay. And tell me, what are the benefits of demonstrating your products here in the United States?
The benefits are for us as Mexicans to get our global brand going in the US. That's a very important market for us. And also to meet some people from Mexico that come to the show, and we get to meet here, so it's very good for us.
For ISSA TV, I'm Sarah Macias.